Okay, today we are going to go over the 2022 Forest River Sabre 37FLL fifth wheel. This fifth wheel has a dry weight of 11,918 pounds. GVWR overall is 14,890 pounds. Cargo capacity is at 2,972 pounds with a hitch weight of 2,570 pounds. The overall length on this is 42 feet 9 inches with an exterior width of 8 feet even. Your freshwater tank is 49 gallons. Black water tank is 38 gallons. Gray water is 76 gallons with a 20-foot awning. All right, folks, today we're going to go over the 2022 Sabre 37FLL. This is a really cool layout, and it's a front living, really affordable. It's got a lot of nice, great features. And to start showing you the great features, I want to show you up front here. It's got your nice auto leveling system, has your instruction panel there to kind of show you how to use it. But it's very easily accessible right here on the front. You have a docking light switch, so if you have to do this at night, there's docking lights, and some companies have gotten away from putting docking lights up here in the front. So Sabre, they're doing it. It's a really cool feature. All right, now coming along to the side here, we're checking out a couple of really great features. A little unconventional of a layout, and you'll see why here in a little bit. You got a nice decent sized pass-through storage here. Nice solid solid steps that have the Sabre burnt out there, so really cool feature there. Nice high gloss finish here on the exterior, and even an outside kitchen right over there. Now the outside kitchen is going to have a couple of things that you're really going to love. It's going to have a simple 2-burner setup, nothing too elaborate. It's going to have a nice removable wash dish right here that you can take out, clean, you know, drain water, do whatever you need with it. I like the fact that you are able to move that. You get a nice dorm size refrigerator. This way you can kind of go ahead and get right under here underneath the awning and cook anything that you're going to want to. Now coming on back, you'll see this little slide out popping out right here in the back. This is actually a wardrobe slide, so whenever we get into the bedroom, we're going to see more on that. But some of the really cool features that Sabre offers on this I wanted to talk about is when you look up at the top here in the back, you'll see that it actually already has a backup camera. Now where most trailers have backup camera prep, as a part of Sabre, you're actually getting the backup camera system standard. So to say that you're getting a backup camera as a standard, you don't even have to mess with it. It comes with everything you need. Really awesome feature. So when you walk into the 37FLL, one of the first things you're going to notice is, wow, you know, look at the colors in here. And that's something that Sabre is really good at. Now, when you go to build out your custom Sabre, talk to your salesperson, because you actually do get an option for colors. Now, this color in particular that's in this one is a darker kind of a leather type sofa option for the furniture. There's also you know, a lighter color, and you know, so whenever you call in, talk to your salesperson about how can I customize this the way I want. You know, and in this day and age, when you're spending the money on something, it's definitely beneficial to go through all these options and make sure that when you're spending the money, you're getting the options that you want. So a couple of the features that you can get through Sabre, you can get the juice pack, which is you know, factory solar option that you can get built into this. You can get different interior colors. You can get different upgraded ACs. You can get all kinds of stuff in this Sabre. So make sure that you talk to your salesperson about that so that you can get your next Sabre built the way you want. Also up here in the living area, you're going to have a nice big TV, nice entertainment center. You have your built-in 5100 BTU fireplace. You have entertainment side storage where you can hide all your DVDs, game systems, things like that. You have two 110 outlets there, two 110 outlets here, and you have 2 USBs to charge your phones right next to it. And and also with this being a front living, it has the opposing slides. It has the slide over here and it has the slide right behind me. Each one of these sofas that you see in a front living, these are actually going to make out into beds. So if you have a, you know, kind of a bigger family that you bring along, but maybe not all the time, you have sleeping options in a front living layout. It's one of the reasons why I really love front living layouts, is because it doesn't have to be a bunk model trailer to bring your kids along whenever they want to. So you have entertainment space, but if you needed to, you have sleeping space too. And for the times that you're in this trailer and it's just you without the kids, you have some really great features here with the theater seating. With the theater seating, you get your cup holders. You get a couple of really great features on this. You get a heated seat option. You get some custom lighting in there. And you also have vibrating massagers, making this thing a definite winner in my book. Now, coming down into the kitchen and dining area of the 37FLL, one really cool feature that Sabre has done, and it's something so little that you just kind of cue into, and it's just like, man, that's really cool. And, you know, like looking at the blinds, you know, a lot of trailers, they come with, you know, kind of a shade, and then they have like a big heavy roller shade that never wants to roll up when it's colder outside. So what do? They made I call it a zebra shade. I don't, you know, maybe a member of Sabre can comment on the video here and say, what do you call it? Now here it's in the black version, but then when you roll it up, you actually can lighten it up in here, and you don't have the purpose of 2 shades that are going to get bound up in one another. It's just simple, super easy to deal with. Now, a couple of other great features that you have here. You have a nice coffee bar here. You even have a setup that you can put like a small TV here if you wanted to. There's storage up here for all your coffee materials. If you have like a Keurig, perfect place for it right there. You also get plenty of storage right next to that little coffee bar, and it's just so much room. You can put some dishes in there. You can put some pots and pans in there. It's rather deep storage, so you have more than enough space to have everything that you're going to want to bring along. Now, coming over into the dining area, you get a freestanding table with a bench and 2 seats. We have 1 seat over here to show that you can actually use this bar right here as a bar with the seats right here, or you can just move the seat right over to go in and sit here at the table. So kind of a really cool feature that you can actually move the chairs around. You have a bar here if it's just you, or you can go there to seat with the rest of the family. And talking about other great and big features that you're seeing in the Sabre is you actually get this huge French door style refrigerator. A lot of really cool features in this refrigerator. Really big inside, and and you also get crisper drawers, and you get the freezer drawers here at the bottom as well. So, I mean, trying to find a fifth wheel in this price range, this kind of refrigerator is really kind of hard to come by. So another really great value aspect of Sabre is that you're getting all the stuff. There's temperature controls and everything right here on the outside. Moving in over here, 3-burner range, stove, big barn style, dark brushed sink, deep sink here with residential fixtures. You get your hand sanitizing station right next to it. A lot of really cool features, and the solid countertops is just a huge plus for this. Now, coming into the bathroom, you got some really cool features in here too, starting with the 310 porcelain toilet. Really nice feature when you're not having to worry about scrubbing stains and stuff out of the plastic toilets. Nice huge shower with the seat. Plenty of headroom in here with the glass doors. And you have a nice ventilation fan in here that actually has its own ducting outside. And then coming over here, you get a huge sink for the bathroom. A lot of campers have small sinks. This one has a nice big sink underneath the medicine cabinet, and you have underneath storage there too. Now, when you come up the stairs to the loft, you're going to look to the right, and you'll have this nice big open sleeping area that you can have a couple of your kids, or what some people like to do is just make this just a designated storage area, especially if you're going to be in this thing long term. You can use this as storage, or you can use it as a sleeping area for your kids. Definitely a really nice feature to have up here. And then when you look over to the left, you get this other little area that can also be a sleeping area or another storage area, however you want to put it together. Now, working our way back in here into the bedroom, one of the things that I really like about this trailer is it's got a lot of headspace. For even having the loft right above you, this thing has a ton of overhead space. King size bed. You have nice lighting features on both sides of the bed. You have, this is the wardrobe slide that I was talking about when we were outside. This is it on the inside. You get your nice storage doors. You get your nice drawers here on both sides, and you even get cell phone chargers on each side of the bed, plus two sets of 110 outlets on each side. Hey guys, thank you so much for going through this trailer with me. This again is the 2022 Sabre 37FLL, and if you have any questions about that, go ahead and give us a call. You can reach us at 937-843-4380, and make sure that if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe. We're constantly putting out new information all day, whether we're doing how-to videos, part of the day, cool feature of the day, or we're doing walkthrough videos like this one. We're constantly putting new stuff out on YouTube,